sensor, etc.
Let me show how this project really works. First, we have to connect this battery to battery cap. And this will start pumping the water through pump, and after this the water flow sensor will go and water through this pipe, and when the container is full, the soil moisture sensor will detect and send message to Arduino, and Arduino through laptop.
We can see here that the message is coming. When the water is full and the soil moisture will touch the water, then we get message. The usage of this project is in the gutter. When the gutter is full with the dirty water, we can get message and we can transfer dirty water to another gutter.
I have done coding.
I have done wiring.
I have done materials.
Thank you.
Thank you.